G'day, Nick here from Trackabout. Today I'm standing on top of a new layout of an 18'6" rear ensuite by Torus RV. And I want to touch on the fact, guys, just quickly, why we can stand on the top of these caravans. So these vans are a full composite caravan. The roof I'm on now is 30mm thick. It's all one piece. And the floor is 50mm thick. So these roofs actually have a 4-degree pitch, north, south and east to west. Creates that bit of a dome structure, but also creates that strength that allows us to do this, but also allows Torus to be able to give you guys a 10-year structural warranty on the body of these vans. They're built very strong and they're nice and cool, and they're also nice and warm. Depending on the season, it's all good. That's the top, guys. Let's jump down and have a look in the inside of this new layout. Okay, so we're inside the new 18'6". The biggest thing with this van is it's a flip layout. We now have the kitchen on the on side of the caravan with the couch and table and dining on the other side. So the beauty about this is if you're out with a bunch of friends and family and you're inside cooking a feast for all of them, you can still be a part of the entertainment and conversation that's going on outside as well. Great thing. And with this L-shaped couch here as well, to be able to sit down, still kick back and watch the TV. But another thing we've done as well, guys, is we've incorporated a little bit of the 19.6. The main difference between the 18 and 19 is the foot of this vertical pantry here. So you've got extra storage space up there. We've got more pull-out pantries. Exactly the same as the 19, just fitted into the 18. And how we've achieved this, we just shortened the couch, that 300mm, to be able to fit that in, which is still plenty big enough for the two of you being a couple's van. But the table can also drop down to create another bed if needed. Okay, so another thing up the front, this is an option on Torus vans, is you can put a front window in them. So it really opens this whole front space up, but then you've got that airflow at night too. If it's in a hot night, you can crack the window open a little bit and it's beautiful. Okay, plenty of overhead cupboards. Inside the wardrobe here, we've got the hanging and removable shelves as well. Down the bottom, we've also got power points, USB-Cs tucked in there as well. And with all the new Torus vans as well, all power points run through the inverter. As where previously it was the center of the van and the two outside points, so you now have 240 power here at each side of the bed, along the van, and in the ensuite as well, to be able to run a hair straightener and things like that too. So that's it for up the front here. We've also got a full oven as well. So standard in the vans, you've got your 3 gas and 1 electric cooktop there with the mini grill underneath. If you didn't want the full oven, you gain 2 more storage drawers in underneath that as well. So another great thing to do if that's your thing. Into the ensuite, this van is fitted with the Ogo composting toilet. So these are becoming a very popular option with our Torus customers that are spending a long time on the road and aren't limited to either 1 cassette or 2 and struggling to find a dump point. These composting toilets are a great thing, and to be able to keep you on the road longer. We also have got the cupboard in the corner. Keep all your bits and pieces. Again, USBs, cigarette sockets and power up the top. 3.2 kilo top loader washing machine. You can also have the front loader as well, or delete that and keep that as all storage space. You've heard me say it plenty of times, massive showers in these Torus vans. I can almost stretch my arms out completely. Plenty of room in here, and we've got the nice matte black shower rose in there as well. So really massive shower, guys. You need to come down and see it to believe it, because it is a great thing with these Torus vans. That's it for the inside. We'll go and show you around the outside. Alrighty, up the front, Cruise Master DO35 bolted down to a full hot dip galvanised chassis, and standard on the vans is the Boss stabiliser leg as well. We've got the stone guard with the split toolboxes, and then up the front, protecting this beautiful window, we've got the stone guard as well. So rocks and things like that flick up while you're off-road. That takes care of your front window for any damages. In this front toolbox, we have the fridge. We've got power in this toolbox, so it runs on its own separate circuit, keeps all your food and drinks cold whilst you're still traveling. In your tunnel boot, we've got the new Ziggy Nomad on a slide with an extra little prep area here as well. Okay, 2 drop-down picnic tables. We've also got plenty of lighting up the top as well, and you can flick between the white and the amber lights with these lights as well. So you've got that option, keeping the bugs away at night. Around the back, we've got 2 recovery points, one on either side of the van to be able to hook up a winch or something to get you out of trouble if you happen to get stuck. The new AU Focus diesel heater, and the tank on the back is actually a stainless steel tank. It's got a new gauge on there, and this is also lockable as well. We have the hot and cold water at the rear. So this is great, be able to wash your feet and things like that too. Plug in a little washing machine or something out there is very, very handy. Okay, and we also have the outdoor shower. Plenty of length on this to be able to wash the kids down, wash the dog, again, wash your feet if you've been on the beach and things like that. And hot and cold water here too. We also have 2 95 litre freshwater tanks. You can option more, or and a 95 litre grey tank to match that as well. Battery box, plenty big enough. So the vans come standard with 200 amp hours of lithium battery, and we can fit up to, depending on the battery size and things like that you're running, we can fit up to 900 plus amp hours in this battery box too. Got another drop down picnic table and plenty of storage left in this tunnel boot from the other side of the Ziggy there to be able to keep all your camp chairs and things like that. So that's a quick wrap on the 18.6 rear ensuite, guys. If you want to know more or see more, come down, say good day to the team at Trackabout and check out the Torus RV range.